How to see all of the games that you have ever played in the Roblox. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can see all of the games that you played in your Roblox. So the steps are really easy and simple, so now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in your Roblox account, and after login here you have to go on the home page. And after going in the home page, here in the top left corner there is the option of the discover. You have to click on it. So now once you are in the discover here, now this option allow you to preview a list of your previously joined Roblox experiences. So what you have to do is simply go on the most engaging games, and from here you have to go on the see all. And after that, from here you are able to see all of your previously played games in your Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.